Problem is to write a Python program to check if a list is empty. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain. In this video, we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to check if a list is empty or not. So in Python, this can be achieved by three methods. First method is by using the Boolean function. Second method is by using the length function. And thirdly, we will be using the empty brackets to check if a list is empty or not. So let's have a look on how it can be done. First of all, talking about our first solution, that is the Boolean function. To use Boolean operation, first of all, let's understand the simple logic that if I write print bool and inside the parentheses, if I pass the empty brackets over here, it would give me false. Why it will give me false? Let me run this. So yes, it will give me false. Why it is giving me false over here? Because it says that if a list is empty, the Boolean will give us false. But if there are any elements, suppose if it is 4 and something like this, if there are any elements over here, it will give us true. Even if there is only one single element over here, it will give us true. Okay. So by using this logic, what we will be doing, I'll be creating a list. So ML, or you can call it as my list. My list is equals to an empty list over here. And after this, I'll be giving a conditional statement that if not my list. So here not is working as a Boolean operation, that it is giving us a false over here. So if not my list, in that condition print the list is empty. So now if I run it, it will give me the list is empty. At the same time, if I write anything over here, it will not give me anything because we have not written that what would happen if it is not false. Okay. So condition is very simple, that we will write if not my list. That means we are checking for the Boolean operation over here, that if it gives us false, if this condition gives us false, in that condition print the list is empty. So guys, this was our method number 1. Now let's talk about our solution number 2, where we will be using the length function. To use the length function, first of all I need to do is write my list again. So I'll be writing my list is equals to an empty list over here. And as soon as I print len of my list, so the output over here would be 0. If there were any elements, suppose I would have written 12, 4, 5, 9 or 8. So as soon as I run it, it will give me an output that there are 4 elements over here. Okay, now what I need to do, I just need to write my list, and after that I need to give a conditional statement that if my list is, if length of my list, that means if len of my list is equal to 0, in that condition print the list is empty. So if I run it, it won't print anything because the length is not 0 right now. As soon as I remove these elements and run it again, it will print the list is empty. That means our length function is working here properly. So length function is making sure that how many elements are there. So if the number of elements inside the list are 0, then it would print that the list is empty. Moving ahead to our solution number 3, which is using the square brackets, that means the empty square brackets. Let's have a look on how it can be done. So solution 3, using square brackets, that means again I'll create a variable called as my list. Inside that I'll be passing the list elements and I'll be writing if my list is equals to empty brackets, in that condition print the list is empty. So here the empty square brackets are telling us that the list is empty, and as soon as we run it, it will give us the list is empty. If there were any elements over here, suppose if I would have written 12 and would have run it, then in that case no output would have appeared. But because we have now no element over here, it would print the list is empty. So I hope guys all the 3 solutions are clear to you. Our solution 1 was with the help of the Boolean operation. Second solution is with the help of the length function. And thirdly, we have used the square bracket, that means the empty square brackets, to check if a list is empty or not. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions in this program. And for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.